Lagos State, one of the fastest growing megacities in the world, remains the economic hub of Nigeria. The state government, led by His Excellency Akinwumi Ambode, have been steadfast in providing an enabling environment for the real sector to thrive through the implementation of policies that are geared towards creating a business-friendly environment that would attract more private sector investments in the state. While the business ecosystem of the state has improved over the years, labor skills gap remains a significant issue for businesses operating in the state. To address this issue, the Lagos State Employment Trust Fund (LSETF), in partnership with United Nations Development Program (UNDP), introduced the Lagos State Employability Support Project, an 18-month project which aims to train 10,000 unemployed youths as skilled blue-collar professionals to enable them to take up jobs in the following sectors: construction, manufacturing, healthcare, hospitality, entertainment, and garment making.
We run 3 key programs at the moment. An MSME loan program where we provide up to 5 million naira for micro, small and medium enterprises at an interest rate of 5% per annum. A program we also call Lagos Innovates, where we support innovation-driven enterprises, essentially focusing on the businesses of tomorrow. And finally, the Lagos State Employability Support Project, where we train and place young unemployed Lagos residents in jobs and hope to train up to 10,000 people within the next 12 months.
This program was designed with feedback from industry engagement sessions with stakeholders from these 6 key sectors of the economy. The forum identified job roles with significant skills gaps and provided guidance in developing an industry-relevant curriculum that would empower young Lagosians and provide skilled manpower to reinvigorate the Lagos business ecosystem.
In the beginning of the project, the industry players, the operators of the industries were engaged to give an input into what the skill gap is for the sector. And we had several input from various operators in the industry, with which the trainers have used to sum up the curriculum, where we also had to participate and go through the curriculum to see if it meets our objective.
We rolled out the drums and took our campaign across Lagos, inviting interested Lagosians to register for the courses and have till date received thousands of applications. The program, managed by Org Skills, a globally recognized capacity building and skills solution provider, began with the first batches at each of the selected vocational training centers on January 8, 2018 with 540 candidates.
I would say the first thing which is very unique about this project is that it targets to train more than 10,000 people in a very short duration of 18 months. So that's a very, very ambitious target that the project has.
For the construction sector, which kicked off with the masonry, formwork, carpentry, and bar bending courses, students received hands-on training sessions held at major construction sites within the state, facilitated by Deck Academy of Design.
I didn't know anything about drawing before, but in the process of this program, I knew a lot, which it really helps me to develop myself in any areas of my field.
Manufacturing courses being facilitated by gaps in engineering include mechanical fitting and metal arc welding. The hospitality sector is one of the most thriving sectors in Lagos State. Students are receiving training in housekeeping, front office and food and beverage services at Wavecrest College of Hospitality and the National Institute of Hospitality and Tourism.
In the course of my training, I learned that human relations is the key to be successful in this hospitality industry. You need to be able to make your customers smile. They need to be comfortable with you, because without them, there's no way the organization is going to move forward.
The entertainment courses being facilitated by Afrinoli Space and Raconteur Productions include production assistant and sound assistant and social media associate.
We cater to the entertainment sector, and to these ends we have employed the helps of experts, people who are seasoned in these various fields.
Garment making, which comprises a sewing machine operation course, is being facilitated by House of Henry Fashion and Art Academy and Human Capacity Development Center.
We'll be introducing them to factory shortcut methods on how to produce in the garment manufacturing floor. The quality of products that these students will be producing is world-class standard.
Over 500 trained students are expected to graduate from the first batch. These skilled professionals will receive a joint certificate endorsed by the Lagos State Technical and Vocational Education Board and the Australian Vocational Training and Employment Group to access detailed information on the activities of the students, follow their progress and request to recruit skilled and certified tradesmen. Visit the project's labor market information system page on lsetf.ng/employer/recruitment.
We've selected 10 of them, and we are going ahead to give them employment, and we are ready to spend that extra amount of money to make sure these guys are off the street.
I was offered an internship on the program, and after the internship I was told there is a job waiting for me.
I happen to be one of the beneficiaries of the LSETF project. It's been a good experience for me, and presently I work with a production house, Jove Media, as one of their facilitators.
For us, we wanted them to be able to work safely and with quality in mind. They have been able to achieve that and more over this time. They've learned the rudiments of construction and the different trades which they want to get involved in, for example, carpentry, iron bending, and masonry work. So I think the sky is the limit. They can just continue to build on that.
With the Lagos State Employability Support Project, we are laying the necessary foundations for the steady and sustainable economic growth in Lagos State.